Going to make professional logo for you guys. It's very simple and it doesn't take much time. Okay, let's start. First, first we need is first we need is control space and left click to zoom in. Select pen tool, make arrow professional. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so the arrow is done and you can copy from shortcut key is alt and again zoom in, so you can easily make can easily fit arrow in the circle. Okay, it's not much time take. It's very simple logo and you can make a logo for only 3 minutes to make logo. And pick with shift and alter, arrange and send to back. Okay, and in click, left click, left click, arrange, send to back, and plus shift plus left click to select both objects and control G to group. Again, left click, shift plus left click plus control G to select both objects and group, and change the color of logo and change the color of arrow with the help of eyedropper. Don't forget to click the object you change the color. Okay, again click the object and change the color of arrow. Zoom in with shortcut key control plus space, and right click plus lift shift plus control J. Is right click and shift control J and align, and again group shortcut key control J for both objects, letter and circle. Okay, so align this object. Okay, done. Thanks for watching.